Hey guys, today we're going to make simple, easy and delicious courgette fritters. It's very healthy and it's very tasty with this sauce, which is linked in the description. So let's begin on the ingredients. 2 grated courgettes or zucchini, 1 cup of spring onions, 1 cup of chives. This is optional. If you have chives available, you can add these, it makes it extra tasty. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of rice flour, black pepper 1 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon or to taste, half a teaspoon of red chili powder or to taste, baking powder 1 teaspoon, 3 eggs. Firstly, we're going to mix our flavours and spices. Then you're going to add in your eggs. And just mix it in. Then you're going to add in your rest of the ingredients. Once you mix it properly, it'll look a bit watery like this. We have not added any water. Now, to a heated pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. We're using olive oil. Add 2 tablespoons of your mixture. And then flatten it out and let it fry golden brown on each side. Make sure you cook on a medium flame. Once they're golden brown like this, you can take them out. So here we have our simple and easy plus healthy courgette fritters. It's incredibly tasty with this sauce. A recipe for this sauce is linked in the description. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills. And like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.